hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see Mathematics Chapter 11, Exercise 11.3 and it's session 41. Okay children, Exercise 11.1 you have to do it in the book itself, and 11.2 I have sent you in the WhatsApp. Children, till chapter 11 all should complete children. Many of them are incomplete. I can find out because only few students are sending the homework. I can name them. Only 5 to 6 like that only they are sending the homework. Others are not sending. So children, till chapter 11 all should be updated. Everything you have to copy down whenever I send you in the WhatsApp. Okay children, now we'll see the A1. It's given in page number 181. It's given in page number 181. 181 exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. Okay. See, first one, convert to minutes. What you are going to learn children? Convert to minutes. They have given in hours. What you have to do? You have to convert it into minutes. Okay children? Okay. The first one. All of you listen carefully, then only you can learn. Okay children? 4 hours. So they have given in hours. What you have to do children? You have to convert to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to what children? 1 hour is equal to, short form you can write HR. Okay children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. For minutes you can write MIN. Okay children? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 4 hours is equal to what children? 4 hours is equal to what? 4 into 60 minutes. Understood children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 4 hours is equal to what children? 4 into 60 minutes. So 4 into 60 minutes what will come children? If you feel hard, what you can do? You no need to see. 4 6 are how much children? 4 6 are 24. So what you can do? You can add the 0 here. Understood children? So it's very easy. So 4 into 60 is what? 240 minutes. This is the answer. Okay children, easy or hard? It's very easy. Isn't it children? Okay, we'll see the second one. So answer is 240 minutes. We'll see the second sum. After doing this, what you have to do? You have to draw lines so that it will be very neat. Okay children? Second sum is 2 hours 50 minutes. 2 hours 50 minutes. 2 hours 50 minutes. So children, see, first you have to find out this hours. You can keep it as it is. Okay children? So 1 hour is equal to what children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And then 2 hours is equal to 2 hours is equal to what children? What you have to do? Do 2 into 60 minutes. 2 into 60 minutes. So 2 into 6, what I have said? Don't take this. 2 6 are what? 2 6 are 12. So what will come children? 120 minutes. So this is the answer for 2 hours. Okay children. Now what you have to do? With this 120 minutes, what you have to do? You have to add this 50 minutes also. Understood children? With this, for 2 hours we converted 2 minutes, 120 minutes. With this 120 minutes, you have to add this 50 minutes. So what will come children? 120 minutes plus 50 minutes. So 120 minutes plus 50 minutes means what answer will come children? 170 minutes. So what's the answer children? 170 minutes. Easy no children? See, first you have to find for 2 hours and then with that answer you have to add this because it's in minutes only. It's already in minutes only. So you should not convert. You should directly you have to add with this number and then this is the answer. Okay children, we'll see the third sum. Okay children, we'll see the third sum. 3 So don't think the same number miss will give. Understood, children? So here 3 hours 25 minutes. So again what you have to do, children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and then 3 hours is equal to 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes. So 3 6 are what, children? 18. If you are thorough in tables only, you can do all the sums. 3 6 are 18. So you have to add this 0 also. So 180 minutes. 180 minutes. Now what you have to do, children? With this 180 minutes, you have to add this 25 minutes. So 180 minutes plus 25 minutes. So what's the answer? 180 plus 25, what will come, children? 2. If you feel hard, what you can do? You can write in the rough column. 180 plus 25. So 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry over here, 1 plus 1, 2. So what minutes, children? Answer. What's the answer? 205 minutes. So what's the answer? 205 minutes. This is the answer. Okay, children? Well, then you have to draw one line and then do the, shall we go to the fourth sum? Fourth sum, 6 hours 5 minutes. 6 hours 5 minutes. 6 hours 5 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60 minutes. So 6 6 are what, children? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36, and you have to add this 0. So what answer will come, children? 360 minutes. So 6 hours is equal to 360 minutes. With this 360, what you have to do? You have to add this 5 minutes. So 660 minutes plus 5 minutes. So what's the answer, children? Very easy. 365 minutes. So what's the answer, children? 365 minutes. Understood, children? Okay, we'll see the fifth sum. Okay, children, we'll see the fifth sum. 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. This is very easy sum. 1 hour 30 minutes. So children, 1 hour is equal to what, children? 60 minutes. So directly what you can do? See, here only 1 hour is given. So you can directly go. Understood, children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you have to add this 30 minutes also. So 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. So what's the answer, children? 60 plus 30, what will come, children? 90 minutes. Okay, children, this is the answer. Okay, children, 90 minutes. Okay, now the what I do, only one sum I will give for homework, because many are not sending me. Homework I will give 6th sum. Continuously you can do. What sum I am going to give? Only 5 hours. Very easy sum. 5 hours. Isn't it, children? It's very easy, children. 5 hours. Only one sum I am giving for homework. And now we can see the B1. Okay, children, convert to hours. B1, convert to hours and minutes. Convert to hours and minutes. Convert to hours and minutes. Okay, convert, first we saw convert to minutes. Now we are going to see convert to hours and minutes. Okay, children, the first sum 120 divide. When you convert to hours, what you have to do? You have to divide. Then only you can find out. Okay, children? When you convert minutes to hours, you have to divide. You should not multiply. Okay, children? So, see, 120 minutes is equal to what you have to do? You have to divide 120 divided by 60 hours. Okay, children? Okay, children, we have to convert to hours. So, hours, okay, so 120 divided by 60. So, in the rough column, what you can do? You can divide so that it will be very easy for you if you feel hard. So, 120 divided by 60. So, 62s are what will come? 120. 62s are 120. So, what's the answer? 2 hours. What will come? 2 hours. Okay, children? Very easy. In this one you are finding only the hours. The second sum you can find the minutes also. Okay, children? Okay. The second sum, 400 minutes. 400 minutes. Okay. 400 minutes means 400 minutes is equal to 400 divided by 60 hours. Okay. So when you divide 400 divided by 60, sometimes it will be very hard only. So what you can do? You can do like this. So it will be, but you have to do it in the rough column. Okay, children? 400 divided by 60. So if you feel hard, you can say the 6 tables. It will be very easy. So 6 6 are 36 will come. That time you can add 6 6 are 36, isn't it? But what you have to add is so 6 6 are 36 and you have to add this 0. If you see 60 into 6 means what will come? See 360. Understood, children? 360, isn't it? So 0 0 0. You can't add. So what? This 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. After 6, if you count up to 10, what will come, children? 40. So what's the answer, children? 6 are 40 minutes. Understood, children? 400 minutes, when you convert to hours, what will come? 6 hours, 40 minutes. 6 hours, 40. See, this one you have to write for hours and the remaining you have to write in minutes. Understood? 6 hours, 40 minutes. Understood, children? Okay, we'll see the third sum. 1200 minutes. 1200 minutes. 1200 minutes is equal to 1200 divided by 60 hours. So when you divide 1200 divided by 60, what will come, children? 1200 divided by 60. What? 62s are 120, isn't it, children? 62s are 120 will come. So what you can write? See, so 60 into 20 you can write, so that the answer will come. So what answer? So 20, 60 20s are 1200. So what's the answer, children? 20 hours. What's the answer? 20 hours. Understood, children? If you divide like this only, you can find out. Otherwise, it's very easy only. You can do it directly also. You can do it directly also. And the last sum we are going to see only one more sum. So the last sum, 3,300 minutes. 3,300 minutes. Okay, children? 3,300 minutes means what will come, children? 3,300 minutes is equal to 3,300 divided by 60 hours. So when you divide, what will come, children? See, 3300 divided by 60. So when you say the tables, children, 6 5s are 30. So 60 5s are what will come, children? 300. 60 5s are 300. 60 5s are 300, children. So what you have to do? 0 0 0. So 3 minus 0 3. So here 0 only will come. So you no need to put. So the remaining 0 will come here. Okay, children. See again what will come, children? 60 5s are 300. So what's the remaining? Nothing. So only what's the answer? 55 hours. 55 hours. This is the answer. So if you divide only, you can find out like this. Okay, children. So while divide also you have to be thorough, but only what's the basic tables, multiplication tables. Okay, children. A and B I have taught, and C and D I will be teaching in the next Zoom class. Okay, children. In the next Zoom class I will be teaching C and D. Okay, children. What you have to do, children? When I ask till chapter exercise 11.3 till A and B all should have completed. Okay, children. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.